Hey there, you lovely students, and welcome to English 1 with me, your teacher, Miss Gerke. I am so excited to welcome you to English 1, and I decided to put together this little course navigation video overview just to help you maneuver through the course and find where all the good stuff is that you need for the course. And each week I'll try to post a video like this just to go over the materials. So if you look here, this is what our home page for the course looks like. As you see, there are no announcements right now, no tasks right now, but don't ignore these sections. I'll be posting at least weekly announcements, if not one or two per week. So always check the announcements. If there are videos that I post in there, like this one, for example, make sure you take some time to watch it. And also your tasks and due dates should be pulling up here. But let's look over here at this menu bar. This is going to help you maneuver through the course. The first things first is the course syllabus. You want to make sure that you download this document, and see mine's opening up right here. So you want to make sure you download this, that you read it carefully. It'll open up in Word, and so you'll want to make sure that you read through the syllabus, read it carefully, read all my policies and procedures. Here is a schedule of the assignments week by week. And here is the description of some of the assignments. So you do want to make sure that you read through this syllabus. I'm not going to read it in detail in this video, otherwise that video would be very long, but make sure that you read the syllabus and print it out. Here are some student resources, the student dress code you need to make sure you read, the nursing student handbook, medical dictionary, and I'll be adding to this from time to time. So here are just some resources available to you. Here is my contact information. Go ahead and store my email in your phone as a contact, hgerke@daytonacollege.edu. And that way, if you run into a jam or you have an issue, you have my email right there in your phone, and you can shoot me a quick email and let me know you have something going on. And this is me. Just a little bit about myself. I've been teaching for about 10 years. My degree is from UCF. And I specialize in English literature, which is not really what we do in the nursing program, but I will help you get the skills to make sure you're successful in writing those patient care plans and all the great writing that you'll do for your nursing degree. Here's an Ask the Instructor discussion board, so if you do have any questions, you can post them here, but I also strongly recommend emailing me if you do need anything, and also we can set up phone conferences. I know that I may not be seeing you guys every day or every week, but we can always schedule appointments, especially phone appointments or a Zoom meeting or whatever works for you, so don't hesitate to email me. We do have our library, our librarian, and then our Learn Library, which we'll deal a little bit more with later in the semester as we get to our research paper. We won't have, the course calendar, very important. You want to make sure that you download this calendar. It is a PDF document, and it is the same as the one that was in the syllabus, but it essentially outlines all of the tasks and the due dates for the various tasks that we have. So just make sure that you are covering this. It covers the weekly readings, the homework for the week, and then as you can see, tests and quizzes, the essay assignments. And I may be updating this from time to time, so make sure that you are constantly checking this or paying attention to announcements in case there are any modifications made to this weekly schedule. And that is here in the course calendar tab. So as you can see, we're not really going to use these options. You can just email me if you need to message me. We don't have discussion board, but each week the weekly modules will open up. So right now, as you can see, we're in week 1. So the week 1 folder, the week 1 module is open. And as we proceed, for example, during week 2, next week you'll see week 1, and then right below it, right here, will be week 2. Okay, so there will each week the weeks will open all the way up to week 15, and the tasks will be laid out for you right here in that week folder. So you just simply click on the week like for week 1, for example, and here are your tasks for this week. I may be adding content to the weekly modules that may not necessarily be on the schedule. I may be building some in as we go. I'd like to add more content, especially after I see what you guys might need as writers to help develop and help you. So anyways, week 1 readings, you can see that we have chapters 1, 2, 21, and 22. Chapters 21 through 31 are grammar and sentence skill practice. So they're a little bit different. Chapters 1 and 2, some of the earlier chapters are focused on essay writing. So that's why there's kind of a big jump in the different chapters. So just keep that in mind as you're reading through the chapters. Within the chapters, there are exercises. So as you can see, the homework generally matches up with the chapters. So you will, while reading those chapters, you will want to complete the exercises and activities in a Word document. So you will want to go to Microsoft Word, and I have a ton of stuff open right now. And you will want to type your answers in as a Word document. And I do want you to do this in APA format. That means heading your paper as if it's an APA paper, titling it very clearly as week 1 homework, and then labeling this is chapter 1 homework, chapter 2 homework, labeling it very clearly for what it is. Guys, and I'm not going to beat you down. I'm not going to not score your essay or I'm not going to not score your homework if you make some mistakes with your APA, but you guys are nursing students, so we do want to push you to start practicing using that APA format. So your homework should be typed in APA format, and just doing your best. I know as you proceed through the homework, there will be sections of the homework that say, okay, read this paragraph and circle the verbs or something like that. So if you come to a problem like that, no, you do not have to type out the whole paragraph, or if it's, change the sentence. But what I would like you to do is either explain what you're doing or list the changes, make it clear in your homework what you did to the paragraph or what little changes you made maybe to a sentence, describe it, or reference it. Or if you're really savvy, really tech savvy, you can take a picture with your phone and then copy and paste that picture into the Word document that you'll be submitting as homework. So when you click here on your homework tab, you will browse your files, right? So this is an assignment submission. For example, week 1, this is due by the close of the business week. So by Friday, March 5th at 5 p.m. And this is when all your weekly assignments will be due at the close of business on the Friday of each week. So if you look in here, you can browse the local file. If you save your documents in your document, you can go in and find your document, and then you would open it and attach it as homework. If you had some issues, you can say, Miss G, this was hard, or this was so fun though. You can write me a little note and I will see. And so you just want to make sure you're submitting things on time. I'm going to hit cancel. So that's how you'll do your homeworks. APA formatting right here in week 1, for example, we have some great tools for helping you cite your paper. If you look, for example, this is a simple YouTube video that will explain how to do APA format. Here's some other tools. So you just want to take advantage of the materials there in week 1. Like I said, I'll be adding more materials in week by week. So just keep that in mind, keep looking. And this is all you guys have for week 1. So in a nutshell, it's not too bad. But as always, if you guys need anything, I welcome you to email me at hgerke@daytonacollege.edu, and I am here to help. I'm really excited to work with you guys. So let me know if you need anything, and I am looking forward to working with each of you.